As car runs on four wheels, English also runs on four wheels. Without wheels, the car can't run. Same case here, without four things, we can't become in English language. Number one, grammar. Number two, pronunciation. Number three, vocabulary. Number four, ideology. Without
उलमा किराम आपके सामने पेश कर रहे हैं। यही तरतीब मदरसा हुस्साल लिल बनात की बच्चियों के लिए भी रखी गई है, जहाँ 10 तक इंग्लिश मीडियम का निज़ाम है, मोमिना कोर्स का निज़ाम है, दाइया कोर्स का निज़ाम है, शोबे हिफ्ज़ है, शोबे दीनियात है और साथ ही साथ सिलाई, कंप्यूटर, ये सारे कोर्स हैं। इसी की एक छोटी सी झलक, वक्त कम है, हम सारी बच्चियों को ला भी नहीं सकते थे, तो एक बच्ची को मैं दावत देता हूँ, शिफा अंजुम, प्लीज़ कम ऑन द स्टेज।
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. I am Shifa, daughter of Muhammad Maqbool. I am a student. I am pursuing Dina Shashum at Madarasa Baitul Uloom Sindgi in Karnataka. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, all praise due to Allah, the Lord of the universe. My beloved sisters and my honorable teachers, today I want to talk about grammar. What is the importance of grammar? As car runs on four wheels, English also runs on four wheels. Without wheels, the car can't run. Same case here, without four things, we can't become in English language. Number one, grammar. Number two, pronunciation. Number three, vocabulary. Number four, ideology. Without learning grammar, we can't become master in English language. First of all, we take grammar. Now, I want to introduce active voice. There are three main tenses in English language: present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense is classified in four tenses. Present simple tense. We use present simple tense to talk about things in general. We use it to say that something happens repeatedly or all the time. For example, the sun rises in the east. Bees make honey. These are the examples of present simple tense. The second usage of present simple tense, we use do does to make questions and negative sentences. I don't like ice cream. She doesn't like ice cream. We don't cook food. My mother doesn't cook food. Questions. Do you like ice cream? Does she like ice cream? Etc. Third usage of present simple tense. We use present simple tense to tell our habit. For example, I get up early in the morning, I offer salah, I join the classes, I play every day after asr. This is called present simple tense. The second tense is present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense to tell our continuous work. For example, I am delivering the talk and you all are listening my talk. The second usage of present continuous tense. I am doing something, I started, I am in the middle, I have not completed the work. For example, Aisha is talking with her friend. I am reading a wonderful book. But she is not reading at the time of speaking. She has started, she is in middle, she has not completed. This is called present continuous tense. The third usage of present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense with month, year, week. For example, in this week, you are working your work properly, etc. This is called present continuous tense. The third tense is present perfect tense. We use present perfect tense if any work has completely done. For example, I have done my homework, she has done his homework. The fourth tense is present perfect continuous tense. We use present perfect continuous tense to tell our continuous work with time. Compare between present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. I am waiting for you. I have been waiting for you for 2 minutes. And these are tenses, and alhamdulillah I have learned active voice, passive voice, modal verbs, causative verbs, etc. I wrap up my speech with the message that it's been a great experience to share my views with you all wonderful people. Thank you so much. Have a good night.